Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to instantaneously cut out photo on PIXELCUT AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now open the PIXELCUT. Now click on remove background. Now select the photo you want to remove each background. Wait for the AI to finish its magic. As you can see, the AI have removed the background. Now you can change the background by clicking the center icon, this color center icon. Now select the background you want. That's how to instantaneously cut out photo on PIXELCUT AI. So guys, like, subscribe for more AI tool and tech related guide. See you on the next video. Thanks.